Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Get ready to explore the frontiers of human ingenuity because today we're diving deep into the top 5 biotech innovations of 2025 that are about to change everything. You might think, biotech? That's just for scientists in labs, right? Think again, these groundbreaking advancements are set to revolutionize the world as we know it. From eradicating diseases to potentially even reversing aging, the future of biotech is nothing short of astonishing. So buckle up, get ready to have your mind blown wide open, and let's explore the future together. Okay, let's start with a game changer, CRISPR 3.0. Now, you might have heard of CRISPR before. It's like a pair of molecular scissors that can snip out and replace parts of our DNA. Pretty cool, right? But CRISPR 3.0, this isn't just an upgrade. It's like going from a tricycle to a spaceship. This new version is more precise, more efficient, and it's poised to rewrite the book of life as we know it. Imagine a world where we can cure genetic diseases like cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, even Huntington's disease. CRISPR 3.0 isn't just fixing typos in our DNA, it's rewriting entire chapters, potentially eradicating these diseases from the gene pool forever. The implications are staggering. We're talking about a future where inherited diseases become a relic of the past. Next up, we're stepping into the realm of science fiction that's quickly becoming science fact bioprinted organs. Remember the days when organ donation was the only hope for people with organ failure? Well, hold on to your hats because 3D printing technology just took a giant leap forward. We're now talking about printing fully functional organs on demand. This isn't some distant dream. Scientists are already bioprinting hearts, livers, even kidneys, using nothing but a patient's own cells. Think about that for a second. No more waiting lists, no more rejection issues. This is personalized medicine at its finest. It's like having a biological spare parts factory right at our fingertips. Chapter 3. AI-driven drug discovery, outsmarting disease with artificial intelligence. Now, let's talk about artificial intelligence, the rock star of the tech world and how it's revolutionizing drug discovery. Developing new drugs used to be like searching for a needle in a haystack, a slow and painstaking process. But now, imagine a superpowered detective sifting through mountains of data at lightning speed, identifying promising drug candidates in the blink of an eye. That's AI-driven drug discovery. These AI algorithms can analyze vast databases of genetic information, clinical trial data, even scientific papers to pinpoint the most effective treatments for even the most complex diseases. We're talking about accelerating the drug discovery process from decades to just a few years, maybe even months. This means faster cures, more targeted therapies, and ultimately a healthier future for all of us. Chapter 4, personalized medicine, your genes, your treatment, but it gets even more personal, my friends. Get ready for the era of personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to your unique genetic makeup. Remember the days of one-size-fits-all medicine? Those days are numbered. With advances in genomics and our understanding of the human genome, we can now identify the specific genes and biomarkers that influence your health. This means we can predict your risk of developing certain diseases, diagnose illnesses earlier, and create hyper-personalized treatment plans that are more effective and have fewer side effects. It's like having a medical roadmap based on your own unique genetic blueprint. Chapter 5. Nanorobots in medicine, microscopic surgeons on a mission. And now, prepare to be amazed as we shrink down to the nanoscale, where tiny robots are performing medical miracles inside the human body. These aren't the clunky robots you see in sci-fi movies. These nanorobots are molecular machines, thousands of times smaller than the width of a human hair. Imagine injecting these microscopic surgeons into your bloodstream where they can deliver drugs directly to cancerous cells, clear out clogged arteries, even repair damaged tissues at the cellular level. It sounds like something straight out of Star Trek, but this is the future of medicine, and it's happening right now. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground today, from gene editing to nanorobots, and it's clear that the future of biotech is brimming with potential. These 5 innovations are just a glimpse, into the incredible advancements that are transforming healthcare and reshaping our world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content on the latest in science and technology. And remember, the future is what we make it. So let's embrace these breakthroughs and create a healthier, brighter future for everyone. Stay tuned for more updates on how these innovations will shape our future.